Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a tagged post to your timeline on Instagram. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Now, in order to do this, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Instagram app and then head over to your Instagram profile by tapping onto the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Now, from here, you want to press onto the menu button, which you can find in the top right hand corner. And after that, you can go ahead and press onto the first option, which says Settings and Privacy. If this window appears, you can just click onto OK to close it down. And now you want to scroll down until you see this option, which says Tags and Mentions. Once you locate it, then press on it, and it's going to take you to this page. So from here, you will have to press onto the Review Tags option, which is under the How You Manage Tags section. And here you can manage the tags. So for example, the first option is going to show you the posts in which you were tagged. Currently, I don't have any. And if I go back and press onto the pending tags option, I'm going to find the pending posts or reels that have been tagged in to review them and then decide whether I want to approve them to be visible in my profile. So that's it. That is how to add a tagged post to your timeline on Instagram. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.